ओम येनात्मना विलीयन्ते उद्भवन्ति च वृत्तयः नित्यावगतये तस्मै नमोऽधीः प्रत्ययात्मने प्रमथ्यवज्रोपमयुक्तिसंवृतैः श्रुतेररातीन् शतशो वचोऽसिभिः ररक्ष वेदार्थनिधिं विशालधीर् नमो यतीन्द्राय गुरोर्गरीयसे शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। तत्वमसि प्रकरणम श्लोक नंबर 123। आत्मा इज स्वयं प्रकाश। Its siddhi is done here through anumanam in this shloka. See in टीका, third line. अचित स्वभावत्वम च आगमापायित्वात् प्रदीपवत् इति एतद् अनुमानम् इह उक्तम् इत्यर्थः। प्रत्यानाम अचित स्वभावत्वम, the pratyas vrittis with chidabhasa, by themselves those vrittis are jada and they have agamapaitvam, agamapaitvat, pradipavat. Pradipavat is drishtanta. Pradipavat is not agamapai. Pradipavat is also not achit swabhav. Just like Pradipa is Swayam Prakasha, Atma is Swayam Prakasha. Because Pratyas are Jada and they have Agama Paitvam. See the Anumanam now. Vimataha Pratyayaha Swavilakshanaanyadhina Prathana Grahana Siddhika Achit Swabhavatvat Pradipadivat iti Prayogaha. What is the Pratignya Vakya?
प्रत्ययाः स्वविलक्षण अन्य अधीन प्रथन ग्रहण सिद्धिका।
प्रत्ययाः स्वविलक्षण अन्याधीन प्रथन ग्रहण सिद्धिका. This is pratignya. Somebody else now answer. What is the vyapti?
यत्र यत्र अचित् स्वभाववत्वं तत्र तत्र स्वविलक्षण अन्य अधीन प्रथन ग्रहण सिद्धिकत्वम्।
यत्र यत्र अचित् स्वभावत्वं तत्र तत्र स्वविलक्षणान्याधीन प्रथन ग्रहण सिद्धिकत्वम्. If there is anything which has jada swabhava, achit swabhava means jada swabhava, then swavilakshana anya adhina prathana grahana siddhikatvam will be there. Means it will be illuminated by something other than itself. Swavilakshana, swa is that achit swabhava vastu, whatever it is. Tad vilakshana anya adhina prathana. Prathana means prakashanam. Prathana grahana siddhikam. Its siddhi will happen through some other jnanam, other prakasha. Pradipadivat. Pradipa hmm. Pradipadivat means Pradipa is not Achit Swabhava, really speaking, but because when they say Pradipa, okay, you take it this way then. Pradipa means a lamp, flame, is also Jada, is not Chetana. So Pradipa has ability to illumine Ghatapatadi, but Pradipa being Jada is known to some other Chaitanya. So just as Pradipa has the ability to illumine, but is not Swayam Prakasha, Pratyaya also has the ability to illumine, but it is not Swayam Prakasha. So this is the Samanyato Drashta Anumana. So in Pradipa, in Drashtanta, Hetu is there, Achit Swabhavatvam, and therefore Pradipa is also Swavilakshana Anya Jnana Prakasha, Buddhi Prakasha, Anyadina Prathana Grahana Siddhika. Prathanam is given in the Tika as Puranam, we have already seen. And therefore in Pratyaya also, Achit Swabhavatvad, Swavilakshana Anyadina Prathana Grahana Siddhika. एवं सामान्यतो दृष्ट अनुमानेन अत्रायं पुरुषः स्वयं ज्योतिः आत्मैवास्य ज्योतिः अत्रायं पुरुषः स्वयं ज्योतिः दिस इज बृहदारण्यक 439 and आत्मैवास्य ज्योतिः 436. Tritiya Brahmana is Swayam Jyotir Brahmana. So there are both quotations from there. And Tasya Bhasa Sarvamidam Vibhati, Katha, Shveta, Shotara, Mundaka, all the Upanishads. They have given Ityadi Shruti Smriti Prasiddha Swaprakasha Atmani Sambhavana Darshita iti Drashtavyam. By this, Shruti Smriti Prasiddha Swaprakasha Atmani Swaprakashe Atmani Sambhavana Darshita. What is Sambhavana? What is Sambhavana? You have studied Adhyasa Sambhavana Bhashya.
Siddhi.
Sambhavana is not Siddhi. Sambhavana is when there is Dvaya Koti in Shanka, Samshaya. Of that, one has Utkat Koti, one is Prabala. Then you see there is Sambhavana. So this Anumana Pramana is for Sambhavana. Atmani Sambhavana Darshita. Swaprasiddha, Smriti Prasiddha Swaprakashe Atmani Sambhavana. Evam Anumanam Atmani Upanyasya. So now Atma is Swayam Prakasha, Anumanam is done. Now there is a new topic. Vidhimukhena pramanena Atma Siddhirukta. तत्र केचित् निषेध मुखेन एव प्रमाणेन आत्मसिद्धिर न विधि मुखेनापि इति मन्यन्ते तन्मत निराकरणाय विकल्पयति एवं अनुमानम आत्मनि उपन्यस्य having presented the anumanam in atma विधि मुखेन प्रमाणेन आत्मसिद्धिरुक्ता विधि मुख प्रमाणेन आत्मसिद्धि is there. Tatra kechit. Now, some people, what do they say? Nishedha mukhena eva pramanena atmasiddhi. Atmasiddhi happens only through nishedha mukha pramana. Na vidhi mukhena api. Siddhanti will say nishedha mukha, vidhi mukha, both are there. Purvapakshi says, or some people they say only nishedha mukha. So they will highlight neti neti, nehana nasti kinchana, etc. न विधि मुखेनापि इति मन्यन्ते केचित् तन्मत निराकरणाय विकल्पयति. Now that mata nirakaranam begins. So with two vikalpa now. Kimanyat grahayet kaschet pramanena tu kenachit vinaiva tu pramanena nivrityanyasya sheshatah. Kimanyat grahayet kaschet pramanena tu kenachit vinaiva tu pramanena nivrityanyasya sheshatah. Kaschet वादी तु केनचित् प्रमाणेन किम अन्यत् ग्राहयेत्. टू means अथवा किम वा. Second two is for that. प्रमाणेन विनैव अन्यस्य निवृत्त्या शेषतः. So if some wadi is there, the one who is raising objection, kaschit wadi kenachit pramanena, by some pramana, kim anyat grahayet. Kim anyat grahayet means atma tattvam different from sthula, sukshma, karana, sharira or panchakosha, etc. Grahayet, or va pramanena vinaiva, without any pramana, anyasya nivrittya sheshatah. Sheshata means parisheshatah. So how do you know that there is some Atma? Siddhanti is asking Purvapakshi. Siddhanti means Vidhi Mukha, Nishedha Mukha, both. Purvapaksha means only Nishedha Mukha. So Siddhanti says, so first understand the prakriya, what Siddhanti is trying to say. That if you do only negation, how will you know what is remaining is shunyam or not? Whatever is remaining, you say it is Atma, it is Swayam Prakasha. Why can't it be shunyam? Because the same thing happened for Buddhas. You need some Vidhimukha Pramana also. So that's why he says, Kaschid, Kenachid Pramanena, by some Pramana, is he going to know Atma different from Deha, Indriya, Mana, Buddhi, etc., like Shabda Pramana, or without any Pramana? Without any Pramana, when everything else is eliminated, what remains is Atma, that is Swayam Prakasha, Satyam Jnanam Anantam Brahma. This is what you think. See, Tika. Prathamastu Shabda Evakarartha in the Purvartha. Dvitiyastu Va Shabdartha. Dvitiya in Uttarartha. So, Pramanena Eva Kim Anyat Grahayat Va Athava Pramanena Vinayeva. King Kashchid Vadi Kenachit Pramanena Eva Dehadibhyo Anyad Atmatattvam Grahayet. किंवा प्रमाणेन विना एव और विदाउट एनी प्रमाण अन्यस्य निवृत्त्या परिशेषत इति विकल्पार्थ. परिशेषित शिश धातु is there. Asarvopayoge, when sarva upayoga you don't do and you leave something, it is called asarva upayoga. Sarvasya upayoga is not there, something is left over, that is parisheshita. So I had discussion with this on this topic with someone. That person was saying you don't need shastra, etc. Just do negation. What remains? What remains means what will remain? How do you know what is remaining is Atma? And its Swarupa, it is Satyam Jnanam Anantam. That it is Jagat Karanam. These things are not known. To highlight that, you need Shastra. प्रथम पक्षे विधिमुखेन एव प्रमाण प्रवृत्ति सिद्ध्यति इति इष्टहानि स्पष्टा इति अभिप्रेत्य. In the first paksha, if you say by some pramana I know Atma different from Dehadi, so then you have already accepted pramana. That pramana will have vidhimukha. Vidhimukhena eva pramanena, like Shabda pramana. Pramana pravritti siddhyati. Iti, so ishtahani. Ishta means ishta of the vadi. That Purva Paksha who was saying only Nisheda Mukha, if he accepts vidhimukha, he will do his ishtahani. Spashta. So that Paksha is not taken. Iti abhipretya. Second Paksha is discussed now. Dvitiyam pratyaha. Dvitiyam means pramanena vinayava. शब्देनैव प्राणेन निवृत्तिश्चेदि होच्यते अध्यक्षस्य प्रसिद्धत्वात् शून्यतैव प्रसज्यते शब्देनैव प्राणेन निवृत्तिश्चेदि होच्यते अध्यक्षस्य प्रसिद्धत्वात् शून्यतैव प्रसज्यते शब्देन एव प्रमाणेन निवृत्तिश्चेद इह उच्यते तर्हि अध्यक्षस्य अप्रसिद्धत्वात् अध्यक्ष आत्मा शून्यता एव प्रसज्यते शब्द प्रमाणेन शब्देन एव प्रमाणेन अनात्म निवृत्ति of anatma, like neti you go on. If this is what you say, then atma is not prasiddha, because shabda pramana according to you is only doing nisheda. There is no vidhimukha pramana. Then atma, if it is not prasiddha, adhyakshasya aprasiddhatvat, what will remain? Shunyam. So this is why some acharyas also feel that if you do not know Vedanta Pramana, and if you just do Koham Vichara, who am I, you will not have the answer. Because anything can be Atma. What is the nature of Atma as Jagat Karanam? How will you know? By self-enquiry. Self-enquiry will tell you there is some Atma at the most. It is Jagat Karanam that you will never know. That only Shastra will tell. That this Atma is Jagat Karanam. This is not known otherwise. Is it clear? Means you think this point is very clearly discussed. Somebody may say, but in the second chapter you only said neti neti, by that atma idam naham. Remember, when a Vedanti says through Nishedmukha Pramana, Vedanti also accepts Vidhimukha. We don't say neti neti vakya is pramanam and satyam jnanam anantam brahma is not pramanam. Tattvamasi is not pramanam. Ayam atma brahma is not pramanam. We don't say that. Or yato va imani bhutani jayante yena jatani jivan. These vakyas are pramanam. So from that we realize the nature of Brahma, and then Atrayam Purusha Swayam Jyoti, etc. So Brahma is there, it is Sadrupa, Chidrupa, Anandarupa, Ananta, etc., etc. Everything becomes known then. Shabdena pramanena anatma nivrittireva chediha uchyate iti sambandha. Only through Shabda Pramana Anatma Nivritti, if you are saying, tada adhyakshasya adhyaksha sadbhavasya अन्यतो अप्रसिद्धत्वात् परिशेषात् सिद्धेः शून्यता एव अवशिष्येत न आत्मा इत्यर्थः. तदा अध्यक्षस्य अध्यक्ष सद्भावस्य अन्यतो अप्रसिद्धत्व. आत्मा is not known through any other pramana, and you are also not using Vidhimukha Shastra pramana. Atma is aprasiddha. That is why there are so many different matams about Atma, because they all do their own intellection without using a Vidhimukha pramana. And therefore, Atma is there, that much is known. And somebody will say it is Anu, somebody will say Madhyam Parimana, somebody says Vyapaka, Jada, Chetana, Chit Jada, Deha, Indriya, Deham, Pranam, Indriya, Mana, Buddhi, all varieties. Kshanika, Kutastha, Shunyam. Vidhimukha Pramana will clearly tell you. Nishedamukha Pramana to be used after Vidhimukha has done its job. So now you already know what you are looking for. Then when you do Nisheda of everything else, you exactly will look at or point out what is there and you know what it is. Let's say in a room, some 25 objects are there. And you know how to do neti neti for 24. Some 25th thing is remaining, but you don't know what it is. It looks of some different color, etc. You will see, you will try to make some sound here, there. You don't know. You can only have some physical features there. You don't know its nature. For Atma, physical features are also not available. I will not know anything about Atma through Parishesha Nyaya. Means Vidhimukha Pramana is required. So Shunyata eva avashishyata, na Atma. Ityartha. Nanu Chetana Chetanayor Viruddha Rupatva Kathanena Anya Nivrittihi Shabdena Kriyate Tatha cha Achetanaad Viruddhash Chetanaha Parishishyate iti na Shunyata Prasanga iti Ashanka Parihara. Purva Paksha says it's not that we are not murkha. We will do division in this way. Chetana and Achetana. Achetana Nivritti we will do. चेतना चेतनयोः विरुद्ध स्वरूप विरुद्ध रूपत्व कथन. So they have विरुद्ध स्वरूप. अन्य निवृत्ति ही अचेतन निवृत्ति you do शब्देन. Whatever is jada you remove. Then what will remain? तथा च अचेतनाद विरुद्ध चेतनः परिशिष्यते. So there is no शून्यता. इति आशंक्य परिहरति. चेतनस्त्वं कथं देह इति चेन्ना प्रसिद्धितः चेतनस्यान्यतः सिद्धा वेवं स्यादन्यहानतः. चेतनस्त्वं कथं देह इति चेन्ना प्रसिद्धितः चेतनस्यान्यतः सिद्धा वेवं स्यादन्यहानतः. In the Dvitiya Pada, the correction, iti chenna prasiddhitah. Pra and C interchanged. Chetanastvam. So Siddhant is asking, okay, Chetanatvam. Tvam Chetanaha. Chetanastvam. Then, Katham Deha. Then how you can be this Deha? Iti Chet means if you are Chaitanya, you cannot be Jada Deha. Iti Chet na aprasiddhitah. That Chetan cannot be Achetana Deha. The Chetana Atma cannot be Achetana Sharira. But the question is that there is something called Chetana. And that is the nature of Atma. How do you know? Chetana, Atma, different from Achetana, Anatma. Who will do its Siddhi? Because if this was already known, then there would not have been any Shunyavada. Or the Bhattamata saying there is Chetana, Achetana Atma, or Kumari Prabhakara and Nyaya Vaisheshika saying Atma is Achetana, they all would not have been confused if it was this clear. So Chetanasya Anyataha Siddhaveva Siddhau Evam Syat. But in this way, Chetan Siddhi has not taken place. And by that, Anya Hanataha, Anyasya Hani means Nisheda. So Chetana is not Prasiddha. So because in this shloka, there is Iti Chen na aprasiddhitaha. So some people say in the previous shloka also, 125, Adhyakshasya aprasiddhitvat. But aprasiddha is good reading. So leave it. I'm just letting you know that some people think like that. See Tika 126. Aprasiddhito naivam iti uktam sadhayati. So the first line is very clear. If you are Chetana, then you cannot be Jada Deha, because you cannot have Chetana Achetana Mishranam. Second line says, but Chetana is not Siddha yet. Aprasiddhito naivam iti uktam sadhayati Chetanasya. Ayamartha. Siddhehi dharmini pratiyogini cha ayam na bhavati iti तादात्म्य निषेधेन विरुद्ध रूपत्व उपदेशः स्यात्. सिद्धेहि धर्मिणि प्रतियोगिनी च अयम न भवति इति. What is this vakya? Advaita Siddhi students. It's not difficult, it's simple. Even if you don't attend Advaita Siddhi, you should know.
अयं सिद्धेः धर्मिणि अयं प्रतियोगिनि न भवति.
You don't have to give this technical answer. Siddhehi dharmini pratiyogini cha ayam na bhavati. Anybody else wants to try? Okay, I'll answer. Ghataha patona. What is ghata?
Not pata. Pratiyogi.
Dharmi.
Dharmi. Ghata is dharmi. Pata is pratiyogi. So you should know what is ghata, you should know what is pata, then you can say ghataha patona. That is this vakya. Siddhehi dharmini pratiyogini cha. Dharmi should be siddha, pratiyogi should be siddha, then you will be able to say ayam na, ayam ghataha na pataha, ayam ghato na pataha bhavati iti. So both have to be known. Chetana is not achetana. Chetana Atma is not achetana deha, achetana indriya, achetana prana. So both have to be known. Do we know that they are achetana? Deha, indriya, pranama. Do we know Atma is chetana? Without Shastra Pramana, Vidimukha, both of these will not be known. इति तादात्म्य निषेधेन विरुद्ध रूपत्व उपदेशः स्यात् न च अद्यापि चेतन पदार्थः पृथक् सिद्ध इति अनेनैव तत् साधने अन्योन्याश्रयः स्यादिति. तादात्म्य निषेधेन विरुद्ध रूपत्व उपदेशः स्यात्. तादात्म्य मीन्स आत्मा तादात्म्य विद देह और इंद्रिय प्राण और बुद्धि. तादात्म्य निषेधेन दैट आत्मा इज नॉट बुद्धि विरुद्ध रूप उपदेशः स्यात्. न च अद्यापि चेतन पदार्थ पृथक सिद्ध बट चेतन पदार्थ पृथक सिद्धि हैज नॉट हैपेंड येट. इति अनेनैव साधन अनेनैव तत् साधने अन्योन्य आश्रय स्यात्. So by, if you say by Nisheda Mukha, Atma Siddhi will happen. And how Nisheda will happen? Once Atma is Siddha. So Nisheda Mukha Siddhi will do Prithak Chetana Atma Siddhi. And once Prithak Chetana Atma is Siddha, Nishedam Siddhi will happen. This is the Anyonya Ashraya. Nishedmukhena Atma Siddhi. So Nishedha will do Nayam will do Atma Siddhi, Purvapakshi says. But then, how Nishedha Prakriya will begin? You have to know two things. Ghataha patona, you have to know Ghata, you have to know Pata, then you can start Nishedha Prakriya. So for Nishedha Prakriya to start, you should know Atma. And what will Nishedha Prakriya conclude in? What is the nature of Atma? This is Anyonya Ashraya. Without knowing Atma, you cannot do Nishedha Prakriya. Without doing Nishedha Prakriya, you cannot arrive at Atma. Is it clear?
Yes, Swami.
Yes, Swamiji.
So you understand and appreciate the nature of Vidhimukha Pramana. That's why in Mandukya Mangalacharan, two shlokas are given by Bhagwan Bhashyakar. Prajnanam Shupratanaihi and
यो विश्वात्मा विधि
Yo Vishwatma Vidija Vishaya. Both are there. One Vidimukha, one is Pitva Sarvan Visheshan, another is Hitva Sarvan Visheshan. When you think thoroughly. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutrabhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah. Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vivagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.